In this episode of Gav Details, we are going to be doing an update on the CQuartz UK coating. This is not the 3.0, this is just the CQuartz UK. It was applied the first weekend of October of 18. This is the first weekend in April of 2019, so about 6 months. As you can see, the vehicle was driven off the road recently, and to be honest, it has probably only been rinsed twice through the Midwest winter. So the first step is going to be to give it a thorough rinse. Second step is going to be a pre-soak with Griot's Garage foaming surface wash. After about 5 minutes of letting that dwell, we're going to go ahead and rinse the vehicle, and then it is going to receive a bath with CarPro Reset shampoo. Okay, so we went ahead and cleaned the wheels first. I did a video on the Auto Fanatic wheel cleaner at 12:1 dilution ratio. So we're going to go ahead and rinse the car now using a 25-degree tip with the Mosmatic wand extension. So as you can see at the front of the car and on the top areas, the coating still seems to be beating and sheeting the water fast. As for the, I would say the middle to the bottom of the door, not much beating and the water is not sheeting, but that is 6 months of no maintenance. So we're going to go ahead and pre-foam. Okay, so this is after the pre-soak. You can see the vehicle's still dirty because you can see the dried water streak marks, and you can see that the doors are still holding on to the majority of the water, and you can see where a small child has drawn a heart, so you can see that the vehicle has not been completely washed with a mitt yet. So again, the top of the door sheets the water decent, and the middle to the bottom of the door pretty much not at all. Road film, dirt, salt from the entire winter. Here you can see the heart. For video purposes only, I'm going to start with the passenger side rear door. We're going to wash the entire door, rinse, and then that'll be pretty much showing how the coating has held up to everything, and then I'll go ahead and clean the rest of the car. So as you can see, the water sheeting is a little bit better. So this tells us one of two things. Either the vehicle needs to be dried because there's still a little bit of product left on the door, or that you really need to maintain your ceramic coating, especially if you're driving in the snow belt where you're experiencing snow and salt. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a microfiber towel, dry the panel, and then re-rinse. So this is a Rag Company Edgeless 365, so we're just going to go ahead and dry the surface. There's minimal drag. You can definitely tell that there's likely surface contaminants that would be able to be chemically removed. There is slickness to the surface. And we're going to go ahead and rinse one more time. Okay, so conclusion is that a ceramic coating should definitely be cared for in terms of regular washing and maintenance, and every couple months you may want to hit it with some type of drying aid or topper. For CarPro you can use Reload, or if you wanted to use something like P&S Bead Maker, you can just use it as a drying aid with your weekly wash. I will be doing an update on my truck, which has CQuartz UK 3.0 that has been well maintained throughout the winter months, and we'll see how that coating is doing after having gone through winter. So for a 6-month update with zero maintenance on the CQuartz UK, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.